like this, or I should construct my home in such a way like that. If you have any suggestions, this you can do.
Yeah, we constructed.
Huh?
Then we have to apply.
No, I am asking about your dream. How, what dream you have that building your house?
Based on automation or.
Whatever it may be. I mean, your imagination. I'm asking about your imaginations.
If I thought, for example, I want app itself, if I thought I
It
just
should
look
be.
into that
Yes.
plan, it can
Thank
be
you, sir.
done.
Thank you, sir. Actually, in similar way, that is my paper. That is design and development of home automation system through ANN. It's completely just we are going to build a home or construct a home in an automated way. Simply whatever the task. Nowadays, the place where we are going to settle down, that is a place after working back home to, back from the office, the settle down place should be a peaceful environment. Everybody is expecting that it should be a peaceful environment. So after going back to the home, particularly the homemakers, will have a lot of tasks like doing the work in the kitchen works or managing the cleanliness of the home. So that can be controlled in the way of automated. So that is the main goal of this paper. And then here the abstract is this. Sorry. Can build our home for our wishes, for our convenience. We can build our home. So that is the major goal. And here simply just we are going to introduce as devices. Everything is going to control by a simple controllers and by sharing the data in between each and every controllers. That is the working principles of this major concept. And main goal already we have discussed that the main goal should be the people, those who are living in the home should be very comfortable and they should have a very good environment. That will be the main goal of this output of this project or a paper. And the main methodologies is here. With the help of the IoT and ANN, we are developing our this concept. That is, there will be a main controllers. We can increase the controllers according to our wishes or according to our size of the construction homing. We can improve the controllers or increase the controllers, and you can decrease the controllers. And each controller will have a certain limitations. For example, the first, if you want to fix a controller for only the lighting and security purpose, that particular part will have one controller. Like that, we can segregate each and every controller. Based on that controller, we can split the work and we can control the full house in a one monitoring cameras at server rooms. So that will be, let me show the diagram. So like this is the major concept of our ANN and automated home. But here, each and every controller will have a separate controlling sections, and all together will have one server room. This particular server room will send a data, and this particular data is already trained data with the help of ANN. That full complete data set will be already trained. So according to that, each and every process will be run automatically. For example, if you are going and sitting in a sofa, as like sir wishes, if you go and sit in a sofa, automatically the AC or a fan will switch on, and opposite to the sofa, if you fix a TV, it will switch on the TV, and not only switching on the TV, it will give the suggestion according to the mood of the particular person. It will read the mood and it will give the suggestions. If you are just first clicking the film list, automatically it will list out all the film, what are the films available in the channels, and it will show you the criteria, what are the thing you can choose it. So like that, not only the sofa, even you can plan for the garden. So automatically the light control. If you are entering into the room, the light can on, and if you are coming outside of the room, the light will be off. So the light control also can be done here. not only the major part of the control, each and everything will come under the electronic part. But even a gardening also we can done with this particular part. How we can do means once if we fix the plants, and after some periods we can fix that for watering, monitoring. If the plant has dried, then you can report to the particular part is dried, and you need to concentrate on that particular part. So each and every part of the gardening can be monitored and can report to the owner of the houses. So that is also one of the main advantages in this particular paper. And this all thing is done with the help of AWS Cloud. Every data set is already trained one. With that data sets, we can fix our home as an automated one. And this is automation system, and this is overall view of our automated home. How we can build our home with a completely monitored or with the help of system. We can make that particular system as an automated one. This is the output of the particular paper, and this is the layer how we are going to build our system. First, the consumer device, and with this device we will connect with the what are the system has to be involved. That is gardening or whatever the thing you need to add, like a light control, security control, even kitchen control, cleanliness. Everything can be added as a single. Each and every control part, and for whatever part you are adding, system part is adding, you want to add the data sheet, because when you are entering, if you are already trained only, it will show the controller as already the data is available. So according to that, it will work for the thing. Else it will arise an error, and it will keep on asking for the queries how to solve this. And next is storage. These are the back end of storage, connectivity, and device localization, and this everything is base. The thing is, we are going to control a device by sharing the data. That is a simple. We can tell this concept in a single line is just we are going to control the device with the help of sharing the data. That's the thing, and the final result will be like we can use the trained data, and with that trained data with the help of IoT platform and the ANN, we are going to build this, and we can after building this the thing will get us a controlled automated one output. Even you can try it in a simple part and can make it as a one full houses.